GPT? Please. 73% of small businesses show a lack of confidence in the effectiveness of their marketing, often due to a strain in resources, time, or talent. But not anymore, thanks to Chat GPT's latest update that'll have you supercharging your content in no time. Let's make a custom GPT for your brand. But first, say what exactly is a custom GPT? And why should you, as a solo marketer or small team, even care? GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, an artificial intelligence model developed by OpenAI. These models can create human-like text based on the prompts that you give them. That's the raw power of a GPT. Now imagine what happens when we personalize it for your brand. So let's get one set up. First, head over to OpenAI's website and sign up if you haven't already. Then navigate over here and click Create New GPT. Let's call ours Brand Buddy. Now, define your brand voice by giving it the tone, style, and any key phrases that you want to use. Think of it as teaching your new assistant the company way. Then, some quick testing. Run some prompts to see how well it mimics your brand voice. I bet it's pretty good already, but let's fine-tune it to make sure we're getting that consistency in brand. Just upload your brand guidelines, all of them, not just the copy. GPT can remember your color schemes, preferred fonts, and any specific language that you use for your brand. But don't forget about regular updates. Feed it any new guidelines or changes to your branding, or else things will start to fall apart. Using a custom GPT can let you maximize your precious hours, so you can focus on the bigger picture. You can save even more time if you batch create content, automate responses like for social, or become a power user and connect yours with other smart tools like CRM systems or scheduling apps. Not that 100% autopilot is the best idea, but this way, content could be created and posted without you having to lift a finger. Since you have all that extra energy in that finger now, could you use it to give us a follow? A like is good too. Okay, look, I'm not saying custom GPTs are better than the best of creative teams, but they are way better than having no team. Now, if building your own GPT seems just a little bit too daunting, don't worry, I've got your back. Hit me up and we can help build one for you. Or just try using Addy, the free marketing assistant GPT built at dPost. Personalized GPTs are here. Whether you want to embrace them or not is completely up to you. You can ride the wave of emerging tech tools or get swept up by it. I know which I'd rather be.